guys, come on. We're here. This is St. Patch's Forest. We gotta be quiet or else he might hear us. I think this is probably his house. I can't believe it. Let's yell FBI. And Johnny DeReo, I can't believe that, he's been escaping for like 5 years. And then, no cop has ever, captured him. It's been a criminal for 5 years. Stupid. FBI! Johnny DeReo, we know you're in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We said it. Yeah. So you better open up. I said you better open